Welcome back. I'll be showing how to make a refreshing homemade ginger ale drink. This drink will help to aid digestion, sore throat, cough, and also boost your immune system. So stay tuned. So to make this ginger drink, you will need fresh ginger. So I'm going to peel the ginger. You can decide to use a spoon, knife, or a peeler to peel the ginger skin. So when I'm done peeling the ginger, I'm going to wash the ginger. So when I'm done washing the ginger, I would like to blend the ginger into smaller pieces so that I can get all the nutrients in the ginger. You can decide to cut the ginger into smaller pieces or use a grater to grate the ginger. So I've added water into the blender, so I'm going to blend until smooth. So when I'm done blending, I'm going to pour the blended ginger into a pot. I'll be adding about 2 cups of water into the pot and allow it to boil. After boiling for about 10 minutes, I'm going to remove from the heat and strain to get the ginger liquid. So when I'm done straining, I'll leave the ginger liquid to cool down before I'll add lemon. So I'm going to squeeze to get the lemon juice. So when I'm done squeezing the lemon juice, I'm going to add the lemon juice into the ginger liquid. So I'm going to be adding honey. I'll be using honey to sweeten the ginger drink. So after adding the honey, I'm going to stir to mix properly. Then I'm going to store the ginger drink into a glass jar and keep in the fridge. It can last up to 2 weeks. You can decide to freeze this drink for future use. So to enjoy this homemade ginger ale drink, I'm going to add some ice, then pour the drink and enjoy. This drink is very effective to boost your immune system, aid digestion, good if you are having sore throat, cough and flu. It will help to boost your immune system. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.